The fastest way to get assistance if your boat breaks down on the water is by using TowBoatUS Connect, only in the BoatUS app. One of the great features of the app is the ability to save preferred destinations to your profile. These might be places where you want to be towed back to, such as your favorite boat ramp, your home dock, or marina. While this is optional, it could save you time if you do need to use TowBoatUS Connect to request a tow. You can always select a different destination while making a request. Once you have your BoatUS account set up, log in using your email and password, and then head on over to the Settings tab to make sure your profile is up to date. To add a destination, tap Account Settings, and scroll down and tap Add Destination. This will open Google Maps to your current location. You can pinch, zoom, and scroll, even search to find some place you may need to be towed back to. Long press to drop a pin, doesn't have to be exact, and give that destination a nickname you'll remember. Hit the checkbox to save, and you'll see that that destination has been added to your favorites. Use TowBoatUS Connect 24/7, 365 if the unexpected happens on the water. You're all set to head out knowing you've got TowBoatUS with you on the water.